Red, white, and blue solar LED. It's a stringer, has a solar panel. We're going to go out, hang it up, show you what it looks at nighttime, and going to unbox it, show you how nicely well this is presented. They're IP65 rated. They're 8 light modes, auto on and off, and they run by solar. And you have an instruction guide, your stringer, your solar panel with the attachments, 2 of them, a 2 kit. Hang your light up, use the supplied anchors and screws with the pole, or stake it to the ground in your garden. Very simple indeed, by attaching the unit as simple as 1, 2, 3. The controls are on the back of the unit. Place it down like so to test by pressing one of the buttons. The other button is going to change the sequential modes to all 8 different ones. As we go through them all, and we hit the off button. When ready to install, please remember to peel the film off the front of the solar panel and allow it to go in the sun for at least 8 hours for a day's time. We're going to collect sun. We have enough string so we could put down on the floor and put across the poles. Loosen up, adjust, lock down, stretch the cable, place into the sun, and roll out. We are here at nighttime. We're going to turn on the red, white, and blue lights by pressing the buttons. They are lit up. You can see the light on top lit up, off, on. The second mode, the third mode, the fourth mode, the fifth mode, the sixth mode, the seventh mode, and then back to the eighth mode, and recycle through to the first mode. We'll head to the back and show you what it looks like lit up. It's the evening hours, and we're coming over to the little solar panel, and we're lighting up the bottom, as you can see, lit up on the wall brick on both sides, in the back and the front. We're going to change it to mode number 2. Mode number 3. The fourth mode. The fifth mode. The sixth mode. The seventh mode, and of course the last mode. Gather sun during the day, lights up at nighttime, decorates the back for you. Red, white, and blue. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in a party decorated system for gazebos, backyard, balconies, railings, anywhere imaginable, enjoy your solar string light 2-pack kit. Thank you for viewing.